There could be some strong language now as those office monkeys are let loose once again on unsuspecting colleagues.
Life in a typical office isn't much fun. They're drab, dreary places where nothing exciting ever happens. That's why we've bribed 2 members of offices around the country to disrupt their workplaces in the funniest ways possible. The winner gets a holiday and the right to call themselves Office Monkey. On the programme tonight, a treat for the ladies, picking up fellas, and breaking the office rules.
Think about it, it's a call centre, not a playground.
This is the show with a mission to brighten up boring office life. So we've installed secret cameras here, telesales firm Hotlines in Glasgow. We're getting 2 of the staff to compete with each other by performing stupid but funny tasks that we've secretly emailed them. First up, it's 24-year-old Colin McEwen. He's a telesales advisor. He's a big fan of saying please.
May I speak to Mrs. Wilson, please? May I speak to Mrs. Marks, please? Miss Parks, please? Miss Richmond, please? Mrs. Towse, please? Mrs. Dean, please?
And thank you.
Thank you, bye.
He's playing against 30-year-old Edie McEwen. She's a trainee recruitment manager.
However, to contact you by mail, telephone or email.
It's her job to find out if things would be okay.
Would that be okay? Would that be okay? That's lovely.
Well, this is our secret control room. As you can see, we got the whole office covered right here. But we have to be very quiet because they're just beyond that wall there. This is where I'm going to be setting them their tasks for the next 2 days. So let's get the ball rolling.
It's nearly 9:15. Colin's first task is to give the girls a nice morning treat. He thinks they'd love to see him in a kilt. All the time, he's got to keep his eye out for his hot-tempered boss, Big Steve.
All right, my man, how are you? Haven't I got my kilt? Do you think it's cracking? Do you like it? No, it's not. It's nice, isn't it? It's really, really nice.
The girls are more interested in what's under the kilt.
Do you like it? It's cracking, isn't it? Just say, like, I don't wear any pants, you know what I mean? Think it'd be alright for, like, I don't...
Crikey! He's decided to go with tradition and take his pants off.
Take my pants off. Right.
Would that be okay? Can you confirm the details are correct?
Can you see it? Ooh. Can you see it?
Do it again.
Can you see it? Just see him run for the bus, right? Can you see it?
Colin's commando kilt stunt has drawn attention from the scariest man in the office, Big Steve.
Eh? Oh, I'm just like seeing it, like how it would work.
Despite that dressing down, I reckon he should keep going.
Right, get on the ground, hurry up. Hurry up, Debbie, get on the ground before I get checked. Hurry up, lie down the ground. Lie down the ground, please. Just lie down the ground. Lie down the ground. Hurry up, he'll not see you. Hurry up. Right, hurry up before Stevie comes. Right, now lie over there. Right, can you see me? Can you see anything?
Well, I'm as shocked as she is. I've heard of flashing, but that's ridiculous. Full marks, Colin. It's time for Edie's first task. Everyone has to pull their weight at this office. How will Edie's colleagues react to her blatantly not doing any work at all?
Look, this, Stephanie. It's vibrating. Nicola, are you scared of feet? Because I need my big toes cut, my big toenails cut. You can. Okay, Stephen, are you fear of feet?
What?
Are you fear of feet?
I hate feet now.
Well, you're no good to me then, are you?
What, do you want a feet massage?
No, I just need my big toenails cut.
As if she'll get some mug to do that horrible
Are
job.
you scared of feet? No, right, I need you to cut my toenails. Just my big toenails.
Bingo! She's found her man.
Just don't hurt me.
How short?
No too short. Look, just don't try and take them right into my...
Like,
Aye. Is that because she can't reach hers? Oh, excellent. Don't get it on my trousers. Oh, that's excellent.
you got to rub them in yourself, 'cause I'm rubbing them.
Edie's phone's ringing, but she's not allowed to walk over and get it.
Thank you. Wheelie me over.
What?
Wheelie me over to my desk.
What's the matter with you?
Because my feet are wet. Go that way, go that way. Go, get me. Go, get me.
Scott McCullough.
That's Scott up there.
It's not for her. She has to pass a message on to her colleague Scott.
Scott up at top. This is great. This will dry my feet.
This is great.
Scott, it's a phone for you. It's a phone for you. Oh. Oh, come on, wheelie me round before I
Wee
get
man.
wet. There, thank you.
Edie's really got into the role. So much so that Managing Director Paul has finally noticed her relaxed attitude to work.
It was just because my feet were sore, I've turned it off. I was just trying it. I bought it the day. You've been dying for a shot as well.
Not in the call centre.
Right, I'm going to put it away in a
Shoes
minute.
on.
My feet are sore, Paul.
Well done, Edie. You're the laziest cow I've ever seen. Time is moving on, so I've just sent them their second task. Office life is unhealthy. Sat down for hours at your desk without any exercise. That's why I've told Colin to demonstrate a new method of keeping fit in the office.
Right, Steph. Pauline. The brands, get up, pal.
Colin's mate Pauline thinks he's flipped.
Pauline. I can't say anything if I'm on a cycling bike and I'm on the phone. Can you? Hello? Hello?
Team leader Louise is concerned that Colin is putting more effort into riding his bike than doing his job.
Louise, I'm on the phone while I'm on the phone while I'm on the bike.
I don't know what's up with you now.
Listen, I'm on the phone while I'm on the bike. It's fine.
Please don't do it.
It's fine, honestly.
Honestly, don't have me making after me. I'm asking you, please move the bike. You've been spoken to already.
And he's coming to the post. And he's getting faster. Go on, he wins.
Colin is doing brilliantly. He's been bollocked twice already. The pressure is really on Edie.
Right, yeah, I'll keep it in amongst them. Okay. No bother. Speak to you after, bye-bye.
She's getting married soon and she's planning to carry her husband to be Gordon over the threshold. To see if she's strong enough, we've asked her to practice on her colleagues.
What weight are you?
About 4 stone.
I could really... Stand up a minute, take your headphones off of me a minute.
I've got a spot on it, so I might be a wee bit heavier today.
You've no text today, have you?
No,
Do you say you're about the same height and build as my Gordon?
He's broader than me, isn't he?
Right, so, because I need to practice something on you. What do you think? Do you think it would be ridiculous if I carried Gordon over the threshold? Now we're doing everything kind of different in our wedding, and I'm going to carry Gordon over the threshold and get all the photos done. So I think that'd be quite good. Well, sure, my mammy's giving me away and all that.
You're going to
Come here,
carry him?
put your arm around me a minute. Right, careful, right? Right, jump up. Oh, let me see. No, you're too heavy.
He's heavier than me, but
No, he isn't.
he is. He's broader than me.
No, you're heavier than you look. Debbie, go to break, Ken.
Well, she picked up young Steve, but that was easy. He looks about 12.
Wait a minute, come here. What weight are you? Come here. Right, legs up, legs up, legs up.
Oh, you're dead light. Do you think that looks, do I look stressed?
What about them two? I want to lift you. Can't get you. Stand up a minute. Right, come here. Right.
No, that.
I feel like you could swing her about the place and all that. Stand up. No, stand up a minute to see. Are you about the height and build of my Gordon, do you think?
Hercules? You're getting no chance
you're
after
too
him.
heavy.
You're getting no chance.
No chance. No chance.
With that effort, it looks like Gordon will have to get off his backside and carry himself over the threshold. Colin has already annoyed the bosses, but his next task is guaranteed to wind them up even further. He's got to break the strictest office rule. Using a mobile phone here is a sackable offence. With 2 warnings already, Colin is really playing with fire.
Who sings that, Gail? Gail, who sings? Don't know how to turn it off. What?
Oh, Boss Big Steve's on the warpath.
I don't know. Let's see it. I don't know. I can't get it off. I tried it earlier on. Yeah, it's there. It's there. Steve, right, I'll do it myself. That's it.
He's really in trouble now. Managing Director Paul has been informed of his unruly behaviour.
You've disrupted call centre enough today. Go on, I'll see you in the morning. Think about it, it's a call centre, not a playground.
That wasn't supposed to happen. He's actually been sent home.
No, just to go home. Just got to speak to him in the morning.
His colleagues are devastated.
I don't know if I'm sacked anyway. He's got to speak to him tomorrow morning. He just says I have to go home. He's got to speak to him tomorrow morning. Oh no.
So, will Colin be allowed back to work? Will Big Steve kill him if he is? And will Edie be throttled for making this appalling racket? Find out in part 2.
Oh hi. Is your husband home?
No, he's not here at the moment, but he'll be back soon.
It's just that he left his glasses case in the showroom the other day.
Thank you. Thank you.
Not a bad place to meet the parents. Blimey. Time to freshen up. Quick.
New Wrigley's Extra Thin Ice. Microstrips that not only kill germs for freshness, but come in great tasting peppermint and delicious new spearmint flavour too. There's no tastier way to freshen your breath. New Extra Thin Ice.
Repress 80s Club Classics. The definitive sound of 80s soul. Get down to the biggest weekender and rare groove anthems. Stomp All Night to Oliver Cheatham, D-Train, Brothers Johnson, Bobby Thurston and Sharon Redd. Relive the essential vinyl revival. Repressed 80s Club Classics.
Men's sweat only attracts other men. Is that all you want? Lynx Dry Antiperspirant. Avoid sweat. Attract women.
Greed is good. In fact, it's delicious. Magnum Greed. Dark chocolate and tiramisu, limited edition. One of the 7 deadly sins from wolves.
There's a powerful painkiller available from pharmacies without prescription called Solpadeine. Solpadeine has the power to attack pain fast by combining 2 effective pain-killing ingredients. Pain like a throbbing headache, backache, period pain, and even migraine. If pain strikes, hit back hard with Solpadeine. Power to hit pain where it hurts.
This advert could save your life. A properly fitted windscreen accounts for up to 30% of your car's structural strength. At Autoglass, we replace your windscreen knowing it could save your life if your car rolls. Autoglass, we fit safety as standard.
Don't ask.
Store opening hours? Should have asked Jeeves.
It's like nowhere else on earth until you get a job there.
They tip me well, I'm not spitting their fat. What a dirty little waitress I am.
With lots of
Titty everywhere. It's like difficult to stay away.
It's a place where friendships are made and destroyed.
Thank you all.
Uncensored.
You're never on your own, you fellow, okay?
Club Reps The Workers Uncut, Friday 11 ITV2.
This is Office Monkey, the show committed to relieving office boredom. We are secretly filming 2 staff members at this telesales firm in Glasgow. They're competing to see who is the best at disrupting the workplace. On day 1, Colin went commando. Edie got her toenails cut, and we came face to face with the office bike. Plus, Colin got sent home.
Think about it, it's a call centre, not a playground.
It's day 2 and Colin has been allowed back into the office as long as he behaves himself. Yesterday he was in serious danger of losing his job. Today we're going to see how far we can push it before he actually does. We've told him to bring a friend into the office. He's hairy, doesn't say much, and has terrible table manners.
Louise. Louise. Please don't crack up at me. Don't crack up at me. No, please don't crack up at me, right? I was going to meet my pal Jennifer for a lunch. Right? And
Whose dog's that?
the dog had to go to the vet this morning, but she's got an interview there now. And she couldn't take the dog to, obviously she couldn't take the dog to the interview. Sit down, Sam, sit down. Yeah, sit down. Sit down. Oh, he's a good boy. He's a good boy.
Great. Everyone's intrigued. To cause maximum disruption, I've told Colin to unleash the animal.
Go get this. Here, Sam. Here. Hey, go get it. Go get it. Sam. Sam.
It's working. The whole office is distracted by Colin's playful dog, and amazingly, he hasn't even been told off.
Come here, doll. Come here, come on. Get down, Dennis. Get down, Dennis. Get down. Here's Sam. Here's Sam. Here's Sam. Here. Here's Sam. Go get it. Come here, darling. Come here. Here, Sam. Here.
Colin's trying to wrap up the task, but Sam the dog's having none of it.
Come here. Sam. Here, calm down. Look, Dennis.
Colin's best mate, Pauline, can't believe what she's seeing.
Oh, he's a good boy. Oh, he's a good boy. I'm taking it out. No, Jennifer's meeting me after the interview, Pauline. I don't know, she's going to phone me. Would you leave your dog tied outside somewhere? No, you wouldn't.
Big Steve, the boss, is a bit dumbstruck as well.
Aye, it's fine. I cannot. Here, watch, close the door, hurry up.
Colin's been told to get rid of the dog and get rid of himself as well. The office think he'll be sacked for sure. I think we'd better calm things down a bit before it all kicks off. It's late afternoon and Edie's final task. She has to sing in front of everyone in the office. Unfortunately for them, she has a terrible voice.
Right, listen up. Probably most of you know I'm getting married. I don't know if I've really sickened you all with this story. But what I really desperately want to do at this wedding is sing. Right, now you know I'm not the best singer in the world. But I'm just going to give it my best go anyway. So I want to practice on you today because I don't know how it's going to be.
And Edie's arranged some musical accompaniment.
My friend today. Come on in here, Darryl. This is Darryl. This is Gordon's cousin. Excuse me. Okay, on you go, Darryl. Go! God! Oh, Scotland, when will we see your light again?
Oh dear. Thank God it's finished. Oh, shit. Yep, she's got the right idea. That sounded awful.
God, thank you very much for listening to me today.
Colin, who everyone thinks is being fired, is refusing to go without a fight. He's determined to do his last task. Take off all his clothes and dance on a desk. But before that, some news.
No, I'm not going to get sacked, right? I'm getting sacked. So, when you down to Blackpool, be a stripper.
So now to see if he's got what it takes.
Just trying with my audience, okay? So just go with it. I'm really, really nervous.
No, he's not playing this one.
Oi, love, there's a bloke getting his kit off over here.
Baby, take off your coat. Breathe.
Go on, Fiona.
Baby, take off your shoes. Baby, take off your shoes. Baby,
them. They love it. Of course, Colin hasn't really been sacked. I'm going to let this lot know what's really been going on. Hello, everyone. You have all been fantastic. You've all been on Office Monkey. Yes, there are hidden cameras all over this room, and we've been watching you for the last 2 days. They're there. Give them a wave, say hi to your mum, do whatever you like. Now, it may not come as a surprise, but Colin and Edie have been competing for the title of Office Monkey. And I'm here to tell you who has won. Colin, Edie, if you'd like to approach me, please. Edie? Colin, quick to stand So let's remind ourselves how they did. Yes, enjoy them. Edie did this.
Scott, I just need my big toenails. Oh!
And Colin did this.
Just hurry up, lie down the ground. Here, Sam, go get it.
Okay, the winner is, without a shadow of a doubt, the King of Sting, the full Monty, it's Colin! And he wins a week skiing with Crystal Holidays. Edie, commiserations. I like you. Well done, well done. Well, there you have it. Join me next time where 2 more will compete for the title of Office Monkey. Bye-bye. There you are. What?
Helen!
Yeah.
No, it's not true. I'm not taking any more shit of it. That's it. I'm out of here. That's it.
Well, I can't see anything.
You can take the celebrities out of America. Not